The family gets trapped on the dangerous island. They run through the jungle, meet funny dinosaurs, and face crazy surprises while trying to survive. Will they escape safely or become dinosaur dinner? Let's start the story. The Wilson family was very excited. One sunny morning, Tom smiled and said, "Pack your bags. We're going to Jurassic Park. Dinosaurs."
Ben shouted happily.
Lucy jumped on the sofa. "I want to see a baby dinosaur." Emma laughed softly. "I just hope they are friendly." The family got into a small airplane and flew to a strange island. The island was green, wild, and mysterious. Huge trees moved in the wind. Dark clouds slowly covered the sky. Ben looked outside the window. This place looked scary but cool. When they arrived, a tall man welcomed them. "Hello, I am Mr. Parker, the park manager." He smiled too much. That made Emma nervous. Mr. Parker showed them giant dinosaur gates. The gates slowly opened.
Boom.
Lucy held her mother's hand tightly. Inside the park, they saw enormous dinosaurs. A long-necked dinosaur ate leaves from tall trees. Ben's mouth opened wide.
Wow.
It's huge. Then suddenly, a tiny dinosaur stole Tom's hat and ran away. "Hey, give me my hat back," Tom shouted. The little dinosaur danced strangely. Lucy laughed loudly. "Dad, the dinosaur likes your hat." Tourists around them started laughing too. Tom sighed. This is already the weirdest vacation ever. The family entered a dinosaur tour car. A robot voice said, "Welcome to the safest dinosaur park in the world." Emma whispered, "That sounds suspicious." Suddenly, the lights turned off.
Beep, beep, beep.
Red warning lights flashed everywhere. Mr. Parker's voice came from the speakers. "Small technical problem. Please stay calm." Then,
boom.
The tour car stopped moving. Rain started falling heavily. Ben looked outside the window. "I don't think this is a small problem." A giant T-Rex slowly appeared in the dark. Thump, thump, thump. The ground shook. Lucy covered her eyes. "The dinosaur is too big." The T-Rex looked directly at their car. Tom tried to stay brave. "Don't worry. The glass is strong." Crack. A small crack appeared on the window. Tom swallowed nervously. "Okay, maybe not strong enough." The T-Rex roared loudly. Boo-rar. Tom pressed every button inside the car. Nothing worked.
Ben shouted,
"Run." The family quickly escaped from the broken car. Rain poured everywhere. Mud covered their shoes. Suddenly, Lucy pointed behind them. "The T-Rex is coming." The giant dinosaur chased them through the jungle. Tom ran very slowly. "I should exercise more." Then he slipped in the mud. Whoosh! Tom rolled down a small hill like a potato. Ben could not stop laughing. Dad became a rolling meatball. Even Emma laughed while running. The T-Rex stopped for a moment and looked confused. Then, a tiny dinosaur jumped onto the T-Rex's head. The giant dinosaur became angry and started spinning in circles. Lucy laughed loudly. "The Maliki dinosaur saved us." The family finally found a small building in the jungle. Inside, they met a nervous scientist named Dr. Leo. His hair looked crazy. His glasses were broken. He was eating noodles while typing on a computer. Tom asked, "Can you help us leave this island?" Dr. Leo nodded quickly. "Yes, maybe, probably, hopefully." Emma looked worried. That is not a comforting answer. Dr. Leo pushed a red button. Suddenly, all the park alarms became louder.
Beep, beep, beep.
"Oh no," Dr. Leo whispered. "I pressed the wrong button." Outside the building, dinosaurs started running everywhere. One dinosaur crashed into a hot dog stand. Another dinosaur wore sunglasses from the gift shop. Ben laughed hard. This park is complete chaos. Dr. Leo finally fixed the park system. Electric fences turned back on. The dinosaurs slowly moved away. A rescue helicopter arrived near the jungle. Tom smiled happily. "We are saved." The family quickly ran toward the helicopter. But suddenly, the small dinosaur with Tom's hat returned again. It dropped the hat beside him. Tom picked it up carefully. "Thank you, I think." The little dinosaur made a funny sound.
Squeak.
Lucy hugged the tiny dinosaur gently. "I want to take him home," Emma quickly said. "Absolutely not." Everyone laughed. The helicopter flew away from the dangerous island. Ben looked down at Jurassic Park and smiled. That was the craziest vacation ever. Tom nodded slowly. "Next time, let's visit the normal zoo."